10 jobs on international relations.
You can scale your impact to an international or global level.
If you want to scale your impact to an international or global level, then international relations is the field for you. International relations is the study of relations between nations within an international framework. The concept of nations is as old as the beginning of time. Did you know that there's more than one path to working in the field of international relations? Yes, this is apart from international politics or diplomacy. Let's begin. Number 1, international politics. Just as a king, a president, a prime minister, or an advisor to a leader is the highest calling in the land, these leaders are called to relate to one another within the international community because we exist in a community of nations. These are for those who are called or elected in politics. Number 2, diplomacy. Diplomacy is the practice of international relations. You can serve as an ambassador, a foreign service officer, or a diplomatic staff, and you're sent by the government to another nation to represent the country or the state. Number 3, researcher. You can be a research manager, a research consultant, or a research assistant in a think tank, an international non-government organization, a government, or a university. You do qualitative and quantitative research work on important issues required by the client or end user. Number 4, policy analyst. You can work for the government, a multilateral organization, an international non-government organization, or a university. You do analysis of a public policy or an international policy, either in written format or a lecture or talk or both. Number 5, professor. You teach international relations concepts, theories, methodologies, and other IR topics to students at a university or a college. Number 6, international journalist. You cover global affairs in the media and you report it to readers or viewers. Number 7, international communications. You do communication work either on print, radio, TV, or digital or online media on international affairs for the government, international non-government organization, or intergovernmental organization, or multilateral organizations. Before we proceed, if you are enjoying this video, please press the like button and subscribe and leave a comment below. Let's now proceed to the 8th job on international relations. Number 8, writer. You write about international relations in an international journal or book, or you do writing work on IR for multilateral organizations or the media. Number 9, international consultant. You solve problems or you help solve a problem or do training work for an international organization, a multilateral organization, or a think tank. And number 10, international civil servant. You serve as a director, an assistant director, an international relations officer, or a technical officer, and you lead and manage a team, programs, activities, and tasks, or you serve as a resource person for the institution. Can you think of other jobs on IR not mentioned here? To help you do your purpose in life, a healthy lifestyle is important. Check out my ebook, 50 Easy Recipes to Start a Plant-Based and Healthy Lifestyle, available on Amazon KDP on the link below. I hope you learned something from this video. I'll see you in the next one.